Agora vamos de Cachoeira da Esmeralda, complexo Vargem Grande e Esmeralda. Uma pena que o tempo tá fechado, nublado. Agora são 3h40 da tarde, mas é o que tem pra hoje, né? Tem vídeo no canal dela com tempo bom, bastante sol, bem bonita. Galera, cuidado quando for passar mata-burro, passa sempre nas laterais deles. Eu já peguei vários aqui nessa estrada, que no meio eles têm um vão muito grande entre um e outro. Passar com a moto ali é acidente na certa. Esta cachoeira aqui é paga, é dentro de uma propriedade particular. Quando eu vim, eu acho que eu paguei R$10, galera. Não sei se tá o mesmo valor ainda. Aqui, galera, o buraco que tem no meio, ó. Na volta eu mostro melhor. Eu não sei se deu tempo de gravar, que eu fui ligar a câmera. Mas ali é acidente na certa. R$10 por pessoa, ainda continua R$10. Uma pequena contribuição. Completar o passeio da tarde então, galera, aqui no complexo da Esmeralda. Aqui já tem uma queda, mas tá bem pouquinha água. Vou mostrar pra vocês aqui. Gente, vai subir por lá, pelo lado ali, ó, pra ir em um poço que tem lá em cima. E aí mais acima é o poço Esmeralda lá.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Aqui, galera, é um poço. Dá para mergulhar aqui tranquilo. Deve bater no peito. Água mais ou menos. E aqui em cima tem o outro. E aqui tem mais um. E a Esmeralda fica lá atrás. Aqui, galera, é um outro poço que tem no caminho para Esmeralda. Chama Poço Louva-a-Deus. Ali embaixo era onde a gente estava ali, ó.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play